So let us start our what for today. Today we're gonna discuss the feed forward control, inshallah. Feed forward. Feed forward control. So what is feed forward control, Shabab? Somebody has any idea? Somebody can guess what is feed forward control? Yes, Shabab. Somebody has any idea feed forward control? We know the feed backward control, right? That was until now whatever we discussed, that was feed backward. Some brother are writing this lecture is with us in the final. Yes, until today everything whatever we discussed, that is inshallah in the final. Yes, Shabab. So what is feed backward? And if we compare with the feed backward, what is feed forward? Any brother has any idea, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. Brothers are there? Shabab, you guys are there? A lot of people they are writing us. Shabab, please talk. Where are the talking brothers? There are 2-3 brothers, they were talking. Where they are? Yes, Shabab.
Yes, you teacher.
That's good. This brother is mashallah very good. No. So what is the feed forward control, Shabab? Before we go to the feed forward, what was the feed backward control? The error happens. Some error happens. Error means what? The difference between process variable and set point. The error travels the whole loop. It goes to the controller, and then controller compares it with the set point and then give the output. And the output try to fix the error. Here it is a little different. So the feed forward, what it do? It measures the disturbances and then it depending upon the disturbances, it calculate the manipulated variable. Manipulated variable mean what? Output of the controller. So it measures the disturbance beforehand. All the possible disturbances until today we calculate, and then we calculate their outputs. For those disturbances, whatever output is required, we calculate them and put in the system. And now the system is theoretically error free, disturbance free. So mathematically if we see, so what we do, Number one, theoretically possible to have perfect control. That is, error is zero. No error. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, with you.
And that's good. Lot of brothers are writing us, but with this talk, Shabab, please talk. Quiet is not good. Number two. Now to attain this thing, what we want? We need to make an accurate model. Accurate model. We need an accurate model of the process this model has what? This model has number one, all possible disturbances, and second thing, what does it have? It will calculate the output of the controller for all these disturbances, and we will put the output already there. So all the disturbances must be measured and compensated. So what does it mean, Shabab? Imagine we have until today, we have 100 known disturbances for some system. Right, Shabab? So what we do, for each disturbance, we calculate the output of the controller and we put already in the system, in the process. So whenever any of these disturbance will happen, as soon as it happens, the output is already there. So the system does not need to calculate the output. It will give the output right away, even without doing anything. So already the input there, as soon as the disturbance happen, the output is already there and it will get applied and the disturbance will be removed. So how is the block diagram of the feed forward? Like this.
Yeah. Teacher.
Set point is there, controller is there, process is there. This is the disturbance is coming. Use the disturbance. So this is feed-forward control. So what we do, we measure all the disturbances. It can be from 0, 1, 2 to 99. For these disturbances, we calculate all the compensations, all the solutions, right, Shabab? We put them in the controller already, and then as soon as any of this disturbance happens, the controller will apply the corrective action. Can somebody give me some example of the feed-forward control in our daily life? Yes, Shabab. Somebody can give the example for the feed-forward control in our daily life? Shabab there?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Please give me the example of the feed-forward in our daily life. G1 is the process. G2 is the function for the disturbance. This is the transfer function for the disturbance. This for the process. Yes, Shabab. Now, for example, in feedback control, what happens? First, we create the error, then we bring the solution. Shabab with me? First, the error happen for the level control, for the temperature control. First, the error happens, then we bring the solution. Do we drive the car feedback or feed forward? Yes, our car driving is feed forward or feed backward?
Feedback.
How? Can you please tell?